Hello, my old school soul food YouTube subscribers. Hope y'all having a blessed day today. Hey, today I'm gonna be making something I've been getting requests for, and I've decided to do it. My old school stuffed bell peppers, which is really simple, really easy, like all my recipes. There's a lot of ingredients to it, a lot of prep time, but other than that, putting it together is very, very easy. So before I get started, I want y'all to please subscribe to my channel. Please share my channel. Give this video thumbs up. Please comment on this video. Please share. And please visit my other social media outlets. I have Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, all old school soul food. So let's get started. Also, the recipe that I'm doing today is on the description of the video. So if I don't tell you the exact measurement, just go to the description of the video and the recipe is on there. So like I say, I'm making stuffed bell peppers today. Very simple, very good. To me, it's like meatloaf and a bell pepper. That's exactly what it is to me. So my bell peppers, you can cut them two ways. Some people cut the bell peppers, which I'm gonna show you, this way, straight up. They'll core this out and set them in the pan like this. I prefer not to do that. I prefer because this turns over and it's not stable. I prefer to cut my bell peppers in half, which I'm gonna show you here, like this. And what I'm gonna do, I have some cut in half already. I'm gonna put these in the pan. I'm gonna show you how I cut these. I just did these already to kind of speed up the time. I know y'all don't want to see me sitting here cutting bell peppers up. So let me show you how I did this one here. What I did, all I do, lay the bell pepper on the side, cut it in half, and it's a little white core in there. I just pull it out, not all the way, just in half. I want to keep this intact, so that's gonna keep the meat inside. So I don't want to rip this whole part off. I just want to cut that, take that little stem out, take the little white, pour it out, dust out the seeds, and that's it. And put it in the pan like this. And do the other one same way. Just cut that, pull the little white core out. That's it, very simple. And take the little membrane out, you can pull that out. And that's it. And it'll go right into the pan. Okay. We're gonna actually set this aside because we're gonna come back with it when we stuff it after we make the stuffing. Okay, the stuffing is very simple also. What I have here, I got ground meat. It's 75 to 1. 75-25, meaning 75% beef, 25% fat. Okay, I got some cooked rice. Some people don't cook their rice when they put it in. I've tried it both ways. I prefer to have my rice cooked when I put it in my bell peppers. So I got a couple of cups of cooked rice in there, long grain rice. I put some tomato sauce, half a can, and I'm gonna use the other half a can to pour in the bottom of this pan here. You'll see here when I put that up. But half a can of tomato sauce. I got some chopped garlic here. I got a can of diced tomatoes I'm gonna pour in here. I got all kinds of goodness going in here. I gotta put a little Worcestershire sauce in here. About a couple of tablespoons. I got a couple of eggs I'm putting there. I got onions. I got yellow bell peppers and red bell peppers. I just use that color pepper just for the color, how it looks in there. And I put some Parmesan cheese in here. You can use shredded cheddar cheese. You can eliminate the cheese altogether if you want. I put some Japanese breadcrumbs in here. Look like I'm just eyeing this, but I got an extra recipe for this on the description. And some salt and pepper. And that's it. Now we're gonna, I got some gloves for this. You can stir it with your hand if you want to, but I prefer, I'm gonna use gloves here so I don't have to wash my hands right after. I can just take the gloves off. So what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna stir this all up good with your hands here. The best utensils you have right here. There we go. hardest part of this is chopping everything up, getting it ready. Make sure you mix it up really, really, really good. And this really smells good too. Right? All right. Okay. Now, what we're gonna do now, okay, got that done. Now I'm gonna take a spoon here and we're gonna stuff it in the pepper. You stuff it in there really, really good. I like to have some little height on mine too. Yeah. Put the pan over here where y'all can see what's going on here. Put it in there. There's another one. And I'm gonna kind of speed up the video here. I ain't gonna be sitting here doing this on video because just give y'all the general idea here. But what I'm gonna do first, I forgot one step here. I'm gonna take this out of here. Another bowl here. I forgot one thing. I want to put the sauce on the bottom. I almost forgot that. I'm gonna put this sauce here on the bottom of the pan. On the bottom, just tomato sauce, and I'll put a little salt and pepper in that sauce. Then I'll put my peppers right on top of that. I almost forgot that step. Okay, back to stuffing my peppers. See, that would have been messed up if I forgot that, and I had to take the peppers out after I got them all stuffed. So that's how you do that. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna kind of delay the video here, and I'm gonna get these all stuffed up, and then I'm gonna come back and show you after they're all stuffed, and I'm gonna make a sauce to put on top of them. So I'm gonna get these stuffed, and I'll be right back. All right, y'all, I'm back. Okay, I got them all stuffed. I got them in the pan. You remember I got the tomato sauce on the bottom. Put a little salt and pepper on the tomato sauce. I stuffed all the peppers, I got them in the pan. Okay, now I'm gonna do something here. I'm gonna make a little glaze, go on top while they cooking, and I'm gonna have a little glaze to put on top after they come off the cooking process. So what I'm gonna do here, I got some brown sugar here. The same glaze I put on my meatloaf. And this on the video too. A little Worcestershire sauce. And so this is so simple. And the ketchup here. And like I say, I'm gonna mix this up here. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna spoon a little of this right up on top of the peppers here. And I'm gonna make a little bit more, and when it comes off, I'll spoon a little bit more on the top after it's halfway cooking. Then I sprinkle a little Parmesan cheese on top. There you go. And then all we do is wrap it in foil. I'll take a picture of this. We're gonna wrap it in foil and put foil on top of it. Okay, move this out the way. Put foil on top. And I always spray the inside of my foil so it don't stick to the product. I spray the inside of my foil. And we're gonna cook this for about 45 minutes to an hour. at 350 degrees. So after 45 minutes, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna make a little bit more glaze. We're gonna pull it off, look at it, see if it needs a bit more glaze on top. We'll glaze and put it back in for 15 minutes. We'll check back in 45 minutes and see how it looks. Okay, y'all, we back. Okay, we're gonna check it out here and see how they are. They've been in the oven about 45 minutes, so we're gonna see here. Once the steam come up with that. All right, oh yeah. It is here. See they tender here. Oh yeah. So what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna put a little bit more sauce on the top and I'm gonna put them back in the oven. I like a lot of sauce on mine. You don't have to do this if you don't want to. I'm gonna put a little bit more sauce on them. Give it a little bit more color. And then we're gonna put it in the oven. Back in the oven. Only about 10 more minutes. Let them glaze a little bit more. Let them get a little bit more glaze on them. Put them in uncovered. About 10 more minutes, get a little more glaze on them. Take them back out, and then we'll try one out and see how they taste here. We'll be right back. All right, y'all, we back, y'all. Okay, been in the oven 15 minutes. Let's check it out here and see what we got. Oh, yeah. These are perfectly ready. That's what I want. That's what you want. See that? See those? Nice. Nice. Now we're gonna take one out here and taste it here. See how the juice is set up? That's why I don't blanch my peppers. Some people blanch their peppers before they put them in, but there's no reason to them because you're gonna cook them for an hour. These peppers are nice and tender. And also, they're gonna create their own sauce, which I love. That's why I put the tomato sauce in there with the salt and pepper to create a sauce with the other liquid that comes from the peppers. So we're gonna pick one out here. Put in a bowl right here. Put some of this sauce on there. See that natural sauce it got? I like to put a little sauce on mine. Alrighty. Knife and fork here. See how tender that is? Oh my God. That's so tender and this thing is so hot. Okay. Get a little big piece of pepper too with it. Oh my God. Nice, tender, juicy, flavorful, of course. The peppers are perfectly cooked. See how tender those peppers are? Perfectly cooked. We can't beat this. What's the say? Try this recipe. Hold on. Y'all gotta excuse me. I love step up pepper. It's a meal in itself. You don't need nothing else with this. You got your vegetables in here, you got your starch, you got your protein, everything right inside. Try one more piece. Oh my God, so good. So, don't say, recipe makes a dozen of the medium-sized bell pepper. So please comment, share, and like the video, thumbs up. Until next time, have a blessed old school soul food day.